Hey, busy legends! Gearing up to dominate the week with 2 knockout meal prep recipes? Make way for lemon garlic shrimp quinoa bowls and chickpea Mediterranean wraps. Bathe shrimp in a tangy lemon and garlic concoction, then pair it with fluffy quinoa for a protein-packed sensation. For the wraps, mix chickpeas, vibrant veggies, and feta in olive oil and herbs, crafting a refreshing Mediterranean filling. Whip these up on the weekend, and your week is lined up with delicious, nutritious meals. Don't forget to subscribe for more meal prep hacks to breeze through your bustling life.